Lesson 6. Europe, Asia, Italy, France, India. Is Greece in Asia?
No, Greece isn't in Asia, it's in Europe.
Is India in Europe?
No, India isn't in Europe, it's in Asia.
Are France and Italy in Asia?
No, France and Italy aren't in Asia, they're in Europe.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 12th, 20th. Cardinal, ordinal. What are the cardinal numbers?
The cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, etc.
What are the ordinal numbers?
The ordinal numbers are first, second, third, etc.
Which is the first letter of the alphabet?
A's the first letter of the alphabet.
Which is the third letter of the alphabet?
C's the third letter of the alphabet.
Which is the fifth letter of the alphabet?
E's the fifth letter of the alphabet.
Which is the 12th letter of the alphabet?
L's the 12th letter of the alphabet.
Which is the 13th letter of the alphabet?
M's the 13th letter of the alphabet.
Which is the 20th letter of the alphabet?
T's the 20th letter of the alphabet.
Which is the 21st letter?
U's the 21st letter.
Which is the 23rd letter?
W's the 23rd letter.
Which is the 25th letter?
Y's the 25th letter.
Last. Which is the last letter of the alphabet?
Z's the last letter of the alphabet.
Is A the last letter of the alphabet?
No, A isn't the last letter of the alphabet. It's the first letter of the alphabet.
Give. Take the book, please. Give me the book, please. What's he doing?
He's giving you the book.
Take the book, please. Give him the book, please. What's he doing?
He's giving him the book.
French, German, Italian, English. Are you French or German?
No, I'm not French or German. I'm English.
Am I Italian or French?
No, you aren't Italian or French. You're English.
Are the students German or English?
The students are not German or English, but they're Italian and French.
My, your. Is this your book?
No, it isn't my book, it's your book.
Is that my dress?
No, it isn't your dress, it's my dress.
His, her. Are these his boots?
No, they aren't his boots, they're her boots.
Are these her shoes?
No, they aren't her shoes, they're his shoes.
Is this his bag?
No, it isn't his bag, it's her bag.
Is this her suit?
No, it isn't her suit, it's his suit.
What colour's his suit?
His suit's black.
Our, your, their. Are these our shoes?
No, they aren't our shoes, they're their shoes.
What colour are their shoes?
Their shoes are black.
Are these their books?
No, these aren't their books, they're our books.
Where are our books?
Our books are on the table.
All. Are all the walls in this room white?
Yes, all the walls in this room are white.
Are all the books in this room English books?
Yes, all the books in this room are English books.
Are all the students sitting?
Yes, all the students are sitting.